Thanks to the Viidure app, you can conveniently manage your dashcams right from your smartphone. Wi-Fi app is the mode that allows us to connect the display to the Viidure application. To download the application, you can scan the QR code right here on the side. It'll take you to the Play Store where you can download the app. Once downloaded, we open the application and we'll go here to make the connection. Add camera, then we follow the instructions given by the application. It'll take us to our Wi-Fi, we'll pair BikePlay Pro and enter the password. Once the connection is complete, the application will connect to the cameras. Now, we don't see anything here because the cameras aren't installed. But where the screen is black, you'll see the camera feed. You'll be able to switch between the front or rear camera, activate or deactivate the microphone, start the recording, take a photo, go and check the recordings you've made, and then adjust the camera settings right here.